How to make paper airplanes. Today I'm going to show you how to make Jasmine and Jose's paper airplanes. All you need are 2 pieces of paper. You can use any scrap paper you have at home. I'm using colored paper to help you tell the difference between the airplanes. Let's start with Jose's airplane. I'm going to put my paper flat in front of me with the long side toward me and fold it in half. So now I'll have a long, skinny rectangle shape. Now I can open it up and you can see a line that shows me where the middle of the paper is. Take a top corner and fold it down to the middle to make a triangle. One side of your triangle will be flat along that middle line. Now I'll take the next corner and fold it down to the middle line also to make another nice triangle shape. Now you have something that looks like a house. Next, I'm going to fold this in half along that middle line again. And here you have it. Now I need to make some wings. Take that top flap and line it up along the bottom edge of your plane and press down. There's one wing. Now flip the whole thing over and do the same thing on the other side. Take that top piece and fold it down right along the bottom edge. Press down firmly. That's wing number 2. And here's your finished airplane. It looks just like Jose's airplane. Now let's make Jasmine's airplane. I'm going to start with the paper in front of me in the same way and fold it in half so that we have a long, skinny rectangle. There it is. Now open it up and you should see that middle line again. Take the top corner, bring it down to the middle line to make a triangle, and do the same thing on the other side. So now you have something that looks like a house again. Now here's where it gets a little different. I'm going to take this top edge of the triangle and fold this again to the middle line. Now I've got a longer, skinny triangle. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Take that top edge of your triangle and bring it to the middle line. Make sure you press your folds down nicely. Okay, here's what it looks like. Now I'm going to fold it in half on the middle line. Press it down again, and here's how it looks. Now we need to make the wings. To make the wings on Jasmine's plane, we're going to take this top edge and fold it down to be lined up along the bottom of your airplane. Press it down. There's wing number 1. Now flip the whole thing over and do the same thing. Take your top edge and bring it down to the bottom of the plane and press. There's wing number 2. And here's your finished airplane. It should look just like Jasmine's airplane.